Question 13. Find the area of the polygon with the given vertices, A, B, C, and D. So we're going to make a set of axes, and we'll read our vertices one at a time. 1, 4, negative 2, 2, negative 7, 2, negative 7, negative 2, and negative 4, 4. So A, was it 1, 4? B, negative 2, negative 2. C, negative 7, negative 2. And D, negative 4, 4. The y value of these is the same, so we know this is a nice straight line down here. This is also at 4, so we know these two are parallel. Looks like a parallelogram to me. Let's just make sure. Get from 7 to negative 4, you got to go right 3 and up 6. We go from negative 2 to 1. It's right 3, up 6. That means that these two are parallel too. Parallelogram area is base times height. We use one of these for the base. So from negative 7 to 2, that can be 5. And the height, go from negative 2 to 4. That's going to be 1, 2 just to get to 0. And 4 more would give us 6. That would be 30 square units. And a parallelogram, a base B and its corresponding height h are given a ratio of 5 to 2. So this is going to be 5, this is 2. Or this could be 10, this is 4. 5 to 2 could be 10 to 4. Could be 15 to 6. Could be who knows what else. But it's 5 times something, and 2 times something is going to be our answer. So let's make H 2 times something, and B 5 times something, and settle it out. Area equals base times height. The area was given to us in the problem of 250 square centimeters. Our base B was 5x. Our height is 2x. 2 times something. That means that 250. 5 times 2 and x times x. 5 times 2 is 10. X times x is x squared. Need to solve for x. 25 equals x squared. Means that 5 equals x. 5 is x. 5 times 5 is our base, which is 25. 2 times x is 2 times 5, which is 10. 10 times 25 is 250, just like we wanted. And these are in the ratio 10 to 25, or 25 to 10 rather. That does equal 5 to 2 when we reduce by 5 in each case. Question asked, find the base, find the height. Section 14 and 15. So the base, 14, was 25. And the height, 15, was 10. Problem 16. A triangle has an area of 24 square feet. Find the height of the triangle if the base is 8 feet. That's not too bad. 16 is a triangle. Formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We're told the area was 24, the base was 8, and we didn't know the height. 1/2 times 8 is 4. Divide by 4 to find our h. There's our height. Figures in each pair are similar. What are the ratios of the perimeter? What are the ratio of the areas? Well, perimeter ratio is one dimension, just all the way around. This and this are in a certain ratio. The perimeters are in the same ratio. The areas will be in the square of this ratio. So for 17, our initial ratio is 14 to 8, which can be reduced to 7/4 as a perimeter ratio. The area ratio is going to be the same as this, but squared. That's 49/16, our area ratio. Same question. In this case, it's 2 to 3. So our perimeter ratio is also going to be 2 to 3. Our area ratio will be 2 squared to 3 squared. We said 2 to 3 is our perimeter ratio. 2 squared, 3 squared is 4/9, is our area ratio. Number 19. Problem 17. The perimeter of the smaller triangle is 12 feet. What's the perimeter of the larger triangle? Well, we know they're in ratio. We just found the ratio in 17. There's the ratio, 7 to 4. 7 to 4 is the big triangle to the little triangle. Remember, the smaller triangle is 12 feet. So if this is big triangle, small triangle, I said was 12. And define the big triangle. 7 times 12 equals 4 times x when we cross multiply. Divide by 4. That goes in 21. That's the perimeter of our larger triangle. And 20. In problem 18, if the area of the larger rectangle is 48 square centimeters, what is the area of the smaller triangle? So we found our area ratio earlier. It was 4 to 9. That was small to big. We're given the larger one. So 4 to 9 is going to be the ratio of the small one to the large one. The small one we don't know. Large one is 48. Across multiplication, 4 times 48 was 9 times x. 4 times 48 192. 9x. Divide both sides by 9. 22.3. 21.3, excuse me. That's it. That's the last problem. Good luck on your test.